Imagine walking out of your office, pulling out your phone, and firing a command to your laptop sitting miles away. To set this up, you need to link your ChatGPT mobile app directly to the OpenAI Codex desktop app. To follow along, you will need a Mac computer, a smartphone, and the latest versions of both applications. This mobile-to-desktop connection is currently rolling out across all OpenAI plans, including the free tier, provided you're located in a supported region. By bridging these two applications, you remove the need to physically sit at your keyboard for every task. Your smartphone becomes an interface for desktop-level file management. Let's start the setup. Open your mobile ChatGPT app and swipe to access the left side menu. Select Codex from that menu and tap the Connect button. This diagram shows the required handshake sequence. After tapping Connect, you need to pivot to your Mac desktop app, click Get Started, and then click Allow. To complete the loop, return to your mobile device, tap Authorize this phone, and select Continue Sign-in. During this process, you will likely see a QR code appear on your desktop screen. Ignore that QR code. It is currently non-functional. Keep your focus strictly on the button sequence we just walked through. Relying on the buttons rather than the QR code prevents the most common failure point in the authorization phase. Next, configure the desktop permissions. Toggle on the option to keep your Mac awake and enable the Chrome extension. You also need to toggle on the Enable Computer Use permission. This grants the AI the system access required to operate your machine. Once those permissions are set, look at the Codex Mobile interface. You will see it mirrors the project directory on your desktop. Before you type any commands, check your location. You must navigate into the exact project folder on the mobile app where your target file resides, or the AI will not find it. With the correct folder open, we can test the connection. Type a formatting prompt into the mobile app, asking it to find a file called IO Rumors, and format the text into bullet points. Back on your desktop, you can watch the execution. The mouse moves, opens the Markdown file, and begins updating the document. The AI takes your raw paragraphs and rewrites them into structured bullet points directly within the file on your local drive. This successful edit proves that your phone is now an active interface for local computer tasks. Because these tasks run remotely, you do not need to stay at your screen while the AI processes a command. OpenAI uses a push notification system. Once a task completes, you will receive an alert on your phone or Apple Watch. This diagram shows how the setup scales. You can connect your single mobile app to multiple desktop computers at the same time. To do this, tap the three dots on the mobile app, go to the Connections menu, and add a secondary machine. Be aware of a current bug. On certain devices, like the Mac Mini, the connection prompt sometimes fails to appear on the desktop screen. If the prompt is missing, do not spend hours troubleshooting. It is a software issue on OpenAI's end, so you will need to wait for a patch. When the connection works reliably, you gain the ability to manage several different machines from a single device. By completing these steps, you have established a functioning connection for managing desktop software from your phone. Instead of waiting until you are at your desk, you can initiate a task while walking through an airport and have the updated file ready for you when you land. To keep the system reliable, maintain clear folder structures. The AI needs a logical environment to navigate your files without errors. If you want to learn how to build similar systems without the usual technical friction, check the description. I am opening a waitlist for a community for knowledge workers. Mastering these tools changes your workflow. Instead of performing every formatting or file task manually, you can now coordinate them through the mobile app.